Do you want to clear all cache and junk from your computer? Don't try the cumbersome methods mentioned in other videos. Simply try the following 2 procedures. Procedure 1. Run the Disk Cleanup tool. Search for Disk Cleanup in the Windows search bar. Open the Disk Cleanup application. Once the Disk Cleanup application opens, you can check all the boxes one by one. You might also have to scroll a little. Click on OK and then click on Delete Files. Procedure 2. Use the Total PC Cleaner tool. Open Microsoft Store. Search for the words Total PC Cleaner in the search bar. Open the first app in the list. Click on Install. Wait for a while for the app to install. This can take up to a few minutes. You will have to wait till then. Once the app has installed, please click on Run. Click on Continue. Select your system drive. Click on Next. Go to the Junk Files tab in the left pane. Click on Start Scan on the right pane. The scan will need a few seconds or maybe even minutes. Click on Clean. Was this helpful? Please let us know in the comment section. Have a nice day.